His name is Shaquille Taylor, and his criminal history points directly to our broken mental health system. Investigative reporter Ben Hall has done extensive reporting on how this is impacting our community. He looks at why Taylor has been arrested and then released in the past.
Just 2 years ago, Shaquille Taylor was charged with aggravated assault after shooting into a car with 2 children inside. But doctors testified in court that Taylor was not competent to stand trial, so a judge had no choice but to release him. The order from Judge Angelita Blackshear Dalton in May released Taylor after hearing from 3 different doctors. One said he would not understand courtroom discussions. Another said he was incompetent because of his intellectual disability and language impairment. A doctor also said Taylor could not be involuntarily committed because he did not seem suicidal and repeatedly denied any homicidal ideations or any plans to harm jail staff or other inmates.
We have set up an incompetency docket that deals specifically with those individuals.
Davidson County's mental health court judge, Melissa Blackburn, told us earlier this year that a $600,000 grant from the county meant people deemed incompetent are no longer immediately released back on the street. Over an 18-month period, her office found 182 people declared incompetent to stand trial that had been released. 182 sounds like a lot.
It's a lot, and we had to figure out what to do with that 182.
Taylor spent time in jail after Judge Dalton sent him back to be re-examined, but doctors agreed further training or medical care would not change his competency. It's worth pointing out that with mental illness, patients can be treated and then deemed competent. But when someone has a very low IQ or intellectual disability, there is no treatment.
Judge Dalton did everything she was supposed to do because she sent him back more than once for competency training. So it wasn't like there was just a single hearing.
News Channel 5's legal analyst Nick Leonardo says this case is one lawmakers could look at to change the law surrounding who is found competent to stand trial and who can be involuntarily committed.
There are some prongs that they could lessen to make it easier for judicial hospitalization, but of course that comes with a price tag, and the legislature has to look at that fiscal note.
In these court papers, Taylor's mother details how he had a brain infection as a baby and was diagnosed with an intellectual disability. She said he functions on a kindergarten level. Now, Nick Leonardo says Taylor will be evaluated again, but this time it's more likely a doctor will find he is a threat to others and involuntarily commit him to a mental hospital instead of a jail. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 investigates.
Such important reporting, Ben. Thank you.